indeed a great pleasure that finally we are pushing in a big manner IT on our platform. And DigitalOcean hopefully is just taking its first step, but hopefully it'll expand and it'll multiply in different manners and different technological arenas. Um, you all know already what is the IT scene in Pakistan, but the statistics that we have seen are quite impressive.
The exchange today. And of course, we're here because of our transaction, our acquisition of Cloudways last year. I've known Akub now for 3+ years, just as I was a rookie CEO here at DigitalOcean, as he was helping me learn about the business, and we were partnered. And it's just incredibly humbling, and I'm proud to celebrate today that we've come together. I'm so excited for our opportunity, and I'm proud of the fact that we're here in Pakistan to make our largest acquisition. I know it's the largest tech acquisition in the country's history. This is our company's largest transaction.
We're very lucky to have Yancey Sproul here from the US. Now, Yancey's security team called him and said, "Gee, no way, Khabardar, you're going to Islamabad right now, big security issue, don't go, ain't happening." And he said, "You know what, I don't care. I'm going, I'm committed to the country," and he's here. So thank you, Yancey, for coming. Now, Yancey has listed, taken public, 3 companies on the New York Stock Exchange. And that's all been a warm-up exercise for the 4th company he'll take public on the Pakistan Stock Exchange one day, inshallah. Very soon, very soon. Look, I know it's been a very difficult time for Pakistan now for a period of time after COVID, after the terrible, devastating floods. Little bit of political turmoil as well. Not as much as the UK, but a little bit. And then the economic situation. It's been a very, very difficult time. But these little nuggets of happiness and these good stories are very important to share. And the fact is that, Akib, you're right. If there were 3 or 4 of these stories, you don't need any IMF facilities.